You're welcome in your maths, and I got a new problem. Today we are going to prove cosine law. So let's go. Now let me draw a height. Let's suppose this is a height and this is a 90 degree. Now let's suppose this length is a and this length is x. Then this length become a minus x. Now this is height h and this length is b. This length is c. Okay, now you can see two right angle triangles here, and now you can apply Pythagoras theorem, and according to this you can write h square is equal to c square minus x square. Now in this triangle you can also write h square is equals to b square minus a minus x to the whole square. Now you can see that both LHS are equal, therefore RHS must be equal as well, so we can write c square minus x square is equal to b square minus bracket open a square plus x square minus 2x bracket close. And after opening the bracket you can clearly see that x square term is cancelled out. Now we can write c square minus b square and plus a square upon 2a is equals to x. Okay, now we have to find the value of x. Okay, so from here you can see if this angle is b, then we can write cos of b is equal to x upon c, which is base upon hypotenuse. Now you can see c cos b is equals to x. Now put the value here, you get c square minus b square plus a square upon 2a is equals to cos b into c. Now you can write it as a square plus c square minus b square upon 2ac is equals to cos of b. And from this you can relate one angle and three sides of a triangle. Hopefully you get it, so don't forget to like and subscribe.